Too many words that broke a friendship. Ethan and Jake grew up together in a small town where everyone knew each other. Their friendship was the kind you only hear about in stories, inseparable, loyal, and full of shared memories from childhood through their teenage years. Whether it was school, sports, or local festivals, they were always side by side. Ethan was thoughtful and patient, someone who always listened before speaking. Jake, on the other hand, was more outgoing and emotional, wearing his heart on his sleeve. Their different personalities made their bond interesting, sometimes leading to minor disagreements, but they always managed to forgive each other. The first crack one day, new people moved into the town, bringing with them new opinions and gossip. Rumors started spreading, and Jake overheard some negative things about Ethan. Though the stories were half-truths or completely false, Jake didn't question them enough. Instead of talking directly to Ethan, Jake let his feelings simmer inside. His heart filled with hurt and anger, and soon he began saying harsh things to Ethan. At first, Ethan was confused. He didn't understand why his best friend was suddenly distant and cold. The power of words and misunderstandings. Eventually, their friendship reached a breaking point. Jake said to Ethan, "I don't think I can call you my friend anymore." Ethan, shocked and hurt, replied, "Why? What did I do wrong?" Jake struggled to fully explain his feelings and let his anger speak louder than his words. The harshness of what he said cut deep. Ethan found it hard to bear such pain coming from the person he trusted most. They stopped trying to understand each other. Every conversation became tense, and their friendship slowly cooled. The whole town noticed, saddened to see two lifelong friends drift apart. Inner struggles and loneliness. Alone with his thoughts, Ethan wondered how to save their friendship. He asked himself, why is this happening? Why are we letting words come between us after all these years? Jake also suffered in silence. He didn't want to lose Ethan but felt overwhelmed by his own emotions. Both blamed themselves, yet neither could find a way to fix the damage caused by careless words. Wisdom and patience. One evening, Ethan shared his worries with his mother during a quiet walk. She listened carefully and said, "Ethan, words can sometimes be our worst enemy, but it's our job to fight through that. True friendship requires patience and forgiveness. If you want to keep your friend, you have to open your heart and be honest." Her words gave Ethan hope and courage. He decided to face his fears and reach out to Jake sincerely. A letter from the heart. Ethan wrote Jake a letter expressing his feelings openly, the hurt, the confusion, and the hope for forgiveness. He wrote, "My dear friend, I don't want to lose you. If my words or actions have ever hurt you, please forgive me. I'm ready to overcome any obstacle for our friendship. Let's leave behind the unnecessary words and start fresh." When Jake read the letter, tears welled up in his eyes. He too was ready to apologize and heal their bond. The walls between them began to crumble. A meeting and a new beginning. They met soon after. They talked for hours, sometimes laughing, sometimes crying. They confessed their mistakes and listened to each other with open hearts. Their friendship was reborn, stronger and deeper than before. They both agreed to choose honesty and trust over careless words. Life lessons. Ethan and Jake's story spread throughout their town, becoming an example for many. People learn from their experience the power words hold, how they can destroy but also how forgiveness and sincerity can rebuild even the most broken relationships. Words may sometimes be our enemies, but the truth and kindness in the heart are stronger. Too many words can break a friendship, but genuine understanding and patience bring it back to life. From that day on, Ethan and Jake promised to protect their friendship by listening carefully, speaking kindly, and always being there for each other, no matter what. Their story remains a timeless lesson about friendship, trust, patience, and the healing power of forgiveness.